Hello and welcome to Craft Catalog, the place where creativity meets simplicity. If you have ever wanted to start woodworking but did not know where to begin, this video is for you. Today we are building your first woodworking project. A simple rustic shelf that you can make in about 30 minutes. No fancy tools, no expensive materials, and no complicated steps. Just a fun, easy project that anyone can do, even if you are picking up a saw for the first time. Let's get started. Woodworking may look intimidating at first, but it does not have to be. The key is to start small and focus on building confidence, not perfection. A rustic shelf is the perfect beginner project because it is practical, stylish, and forgiving. Rustic designs allow for natural wood texture, small imperfections, and a handmade charm that gives personality to your work. You can use almost any kind of wood for this project. Scrap wood, old planks, or leftover boards from previous projects all work great. That is part of what makes this project fun. You are giving new life to old pieces of wood. First, measure and cut 3 pieces, 2 side supports and 1 main shelf board. If you do not have a saw, most hardware stores can cut the wood for you. Once you have your pieces, gently sand the edges. This helps remove splinters and gives the shelf a smooth, clean finish. Now, position the 2 side supports vertically and place the main board across them horizontally. Make sure it is level. Then attach the pieces together using small nails, wood glue, or screws, whatever tools you have at home. If you are a beginner, pre-drilling tiny holes makes it easier and prevents the wood from splitting. You can stop right here and already have a working shelf. But to give it that rustic charm, add a simple wood stain or a light coat of paint. Wipe off the excess with a cloth to keep the grain visible. The result is a warm, natural look that fits in any home, kitchen, living room, or even your workshop. Let it dry for a few minutes and your shelf is ready to hang. You have just created something beautiful, useful, and handmade in less than half an hour. The best part? You can customize this design in endless ways. Add hooks underneath, make a double layer, or attach it to a frame. Once you build one, you will want to make more. And just like that, you have taken your first step into woodworking. It is simple, satisfying, and something you can be proud of every time you look at it. Thank you for watching Craft Catalog. If you enjoyed this beginner-friendly project, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications for more easy woodworking ideas every 2 days. Until next time, keep crafting, keep learning, and keep building your creativity one project at a time.